Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain you how to write a Verilog code which convert the D flip-flop into SR flip-flop. Very simple and most frequently asked question on the other hand. Now, if you know the characteristic equation of flip-flops, then you can make this question easily. Just you need to remember the characteristic equation of the flip-flop and then you can easily make or map those equations, right? So now see, first we want to write a code for D flip-flop. Now for that, just take a D flip-flop, clock D, okay, and write a code for this. So it will take something like always at the rate passage of the clock Q is equal to D, right? Now see, input D and clock and output is equal to Q, and we are declaring output as a H because we are using procedural block, and the rule says that the left hand side need to be declared as a H while using inside a procedural block, right? So Q is equal to D. We are using non-blocking assignment, okay. It is recommended to use non-blocking assignment while modeling sequential circuits, okay. Now see, this is for the simple D flip-flop without reset. Now here if we want that OR gate, right, that characteristic equation is S plus R bar Qn, right? So this we want S plus R bar Qn. So how to do this? Take this as a S, take S here, and we want here R bar Qn, okay. So for R bar, just take R and make bubble of that, okay. And for Qn, this is what Q, or you can say Qn, right? And this is what S plus R bar Qn we are getting. S plus R bar, in Verilog we are writing like R bar Q, okay. So connect this, and this is what I, we have declared that wire here, right? I assign I is equal to S plus R bar Qn because we have declared wire. For assign statement we are using, we need to declare left hand side variable must be y, right? So this S plus R bar Qn, same equation, okay. Now see, just we need to map here a D flip-flop. This D flip-flop instance, for that df you can take any name, and within parenthesis this I, comma, this clock and Q, okay. Very simple. So if you write SR flip-flop like this, we will get the output like this circuit we will, and in total the output, the diagram something like this: Q, QB or Q bar, you can say S R, and this will be clock. So this is how you can make a very simple code which convert D flip-flop into SR flip-flop. And after synthesis, if you do the synthesis for that, you will get the same diagram. Actually diagram is not visible here. If we zoom it, you will get the output something like this, okay. Now see, same, let me make this the same we are getting, right? After synthesis, D flip-flop, and we are converting this XOR OR gate, AND gate, and one NOT gate. Same diagram. we will get after synthesis. So this is what the code for Verilog code which convert D flip-flop to SR flip-flop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.